Hi guys!
Welcome to University of Central Punjab, the center of your future. This is me Noorulain with Abdullah, Amira and Ahmed, senior year students here at UCP.
And today we're going to show you around, so you know how to make the best of your time here. Our purpose-built campus has all the facilities and resources you need to succeed.
The campus covers an area of almost 75 canals. The 9 faculties are divided into 3 buildings, A, B and C. Right now, we are standing in Courtyard A, the picture-perfect spot of our campus.
And I'll be showing you Building A, which was the first to be built back in 2010. It has all the pharmacy, electrical engineering labs, the IT department and the famous clock tower.
And I will be telling you about Building B, जो कि 2015 में बनी थी. It houses an amazing library, media production facilities, science labs, a number of faculties as well as the pro-rector's office.
और मैं आपको बताऊंगा C building के बारे में, with its rooftop cafe and a host of other facilities. This building was completed in 2018.
And I'll be telling you about some important departments and facilities of our campus.
So, let's get started guys. Follow me.
Wait, aren't you forgetting something?
What?
DJ, let's hit it.
We begin with the auditorium, जहाँ सारे events होते हैं. And can you believe it? It has a seating capacity of 400. Auditorium एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आप attend करेंगे speaker sessions, conferences, and guess what? बहुत सारे theatre plays और musical performances. So, right next to the auditorium, we have our career services office, where we help ensure the professional success of our students both during and after their studies. So make sure कि आप इनको visit करें for guidance and coaching regarding student exchange programs, jobs, internships and overall career development.
Student Service Center or SSC is a part of Building A. It helps the student with program transfer, scholarships, fee submission, student registration and student portal assistance. We also have a girls hostel on our campus. It is centrally air conditioned, has unlimited Wi-Fi और बहुत सारी ऐसी facilities जो आपको आपके घर की याद नहीं आने देंगी.
Welcome to the Faculty of Engineering, जो कि A building के बिल्कुल पीछे है. It contains 26 international standard labs for our electrical, mechanical and civil engineering students.
Welcome to Building B. Let's start our tour at the library.
Keep it low.
आप अकेले पढ़ना चाहते हो या दोस्तों के साथ? The library has over 40,000 books on all kinds of topics. और आपके पास access होगी different research databases की.
ये बिल्डिंग C है और मैं कॉमन रूम में खड़ा हूँ. ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ स्टूडेंट्स अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से ब्रेक लेके रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं और अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट कर सकते हैं.
ये है स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स with 2 separate state-of-the-art gymnasium for men and women, 25-yard 4-lane swimming pool and host of other fun activities. UCP में बहुत सारे different clubs and societies हैं जो different events and activities करवाते हैं. And all of this is organized under the umbrella of DSA.
The B building lobby is mostly filled with media, life sciences and social sciences students and is centered around UCP's Hall of Fame. We have maintained our winning streak of the HEC Intervarsity Sports Championship since the past 10 years. We're the reigning champions. #trophy comes home. Did you know UCP hosts the only university-based 24/7 radio station in Pakistan? Our radio facility helps our students in all aspects of audio production. Our state-of-the-art production house and NLE labs provide our students with every possible resource to write, edit and produce compelling and engaging content. Moving on, the English Language Center is also part of the B building, which is based on a blend of a language lab and self-access center model where students can enroll themselves to improve their English language proficiency. It is also home to various general and science labs for practical and research work.
Defense Council, the act of genocide is clearly a great breaches of international law and it is clearly prohibited under Geneva Conventions, Protocol 4 and ICC Statute, Article 6.
Established as per the national standards of the High Court of Pakistan, the Law Moot Room helps our law students sharpen their litigation skills. UCP has a dedicated webinar room where regular online sessions are organized with esteemed international speakers. And as the pandemic has shown us all that learning doesn't always take place in person, the UCP webinar room has indeed helped in making distance learning a breeze. अब यूनिवर्सिटी में आके हर वक्त काम और पढ़ाई तो नहीं की जा सकती. Everyone needs a place to kick back, relax and refuel. दो इंडोर कैफेज होने के बावजूद बिल्डिंग सी हैज अ रूफटॉप कैफे जहां आप मजेदार खाने खा सकते हैं और अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैंग आउट कर सकते हैं.
A popular hangout and tea spot, the UCP Food Street is a one-stop to satisfy all your street food cravings.
मैम आपकी चाय.
Thank you. And cut. Well done, guys. The newest addition to UCP community, the amphitheater एक ऐसी जगह है जहां आप अटेंड करें एक्टिंग क्लासेस और बहुत सारे jamming sessions.
Hey, how's it going?
Great.
Let's go!
UCP aims to instill spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation among its students with the help of on-campus incubation center. The goal of the clique is to create innovative solutions and to provide students with the tools required to launch successful entrepreneurial ventures.
We are just scratching the surface.
We hope you enjoyed this brief tour of our campus, and remember,
Here at UCP, if you have a passion, you can pursue it.
If you want to try something new, you can experiment it.
And if you have a dream, you can follow it and make it
the center of your future.